In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on a meeting in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to start a meeting right from your spreadsheet, present your work clearly, and stop sharing when you're done. First, open your web browser and head to Google. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can access your files and tools without interruptions. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From the menu that opens, choose Sheets. This takes you to your Google Sheets home, where you can open an existing spreadsheet. Open the document you want to present. Give it a quick scan to confirm it's the right file and that any data you plan to show is up to date. When you're ready, look toward the top of the sheet for the small video camera icon. That's the built-in Meet integration. Click it to bring up your meeting options. Choose Start a new meeting. A Meet window will open and connect you. If your browser asks for access to your camera or microphone, you can allow it, or keep them off if you're just presenting. The important part is getting your screen ready to share. At the bottom of the meeting window, click the Share Screen icon. Depending on your browser, it might be labeled Present Now. You'll see choices like Entire Screen, a window, or a tab. For the cleanest focus on your spreadsheet, sharing the specific window or tab that contains your Google Sheet is usually best. This keeps notifications or unrelated apps out of view. When your browser prompts you, select what you want to share and click Allow. If you don't see the option to allow right away, look for a small prompt near your address bar or at the center of the screen. Once sharing starts, you'll see a confirmation and your participants will see what you see. Move slowly, zoom in on important cells, and use the cursor to highlight key areas. If your system blocks screen sharing, check your browser permissions, or, on some devices, enable screen recording access in your system settings. When you're finished, stop the presentation by clicking Stop Sharing at the top of the screen. That ends the screen share but keeps the meeting open in case you want to continue the conversation. That's it. Open Sheets, start a meeting from the camera icon, share your screen with Allow, and stop sharing when you're done. You're ready to present your spreadsheet with confidence.